I was just looking at this piece of documentation that came with a kit that I was going to build. So you see there's the schematic here, but also all the instructions, the description of how the circuit works is in Chinese, and I wanted to translate it into English. And it turns out a way that you can do that is by loading the Google Translate app onto your phone. So I've got an Android phone, but I understand exactly the same thing works on the iPhone. So you run Google Translate and you get Google Translate to view through the camera, and you can translate it to English. So let me just show that. So here we go. So I've got a bit of Chinese text up on the desk here. I'm just going to bring in the phone with the Google Translate app running. You see that? Isn't that really remarkable? So using the Google Translate app, viewing through the camera, it actually looks at the Chinese text in real time and then converts the screen view to be in English. So it allows you to read off the text in English. Okay, maybe some of you already knew that, but there we go, how to use Google Translate to read Chinese text.